I started this journey with $100 and as of today, the account is sitting at $3,824. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact 1-minute strategies I'm using, how I choose entries, how I manage risk, and how I avoid emotional trades. No guessing, no random trades, just structured execution. And if you are following this challenge, watch carefully because small time frame trading is all about precision. Let's go. This video is not financial advice. Everything shown here reflects my personal trading journey and is shared for educational purpose only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and trading decisions. Trading carries significant risk and results may vary depending on your experience, strategy, and risk management. These videos are simply me documenting what I do in the markets. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. Right now I am analyzing Euro US dollar chart and I have a clear trading opportunity here. The price, you can see, it closes just above the support level and chances of reversal are really high. First I will take the trade and then I will explain you the setup. I'm just waiting for the retracement. If price goes down and then it form a reversal pattern, I will place my trade instantly because on this particular chart I cannot see strong bullish reversal pattern. The reason why I'm expecting a reversal trade here is because of this recent support level. If price does not break this zone, okay, price showing reversal, yes, it's a confirmation and I have placed the first trade of this session in the upside direction. Let's understand the logic behind this trade. It's a simple trade setup. So price was moving in the upside direction and to me this was the recent support level, or you can say a liquidity zone also, which can take part as a reversal zone because as the price is going up, this recent support holds value, it holds buyers, and as price is retracing back towards the same zone, more buyers can take entry who forget to take entry here, and those who took entries with this candle, their stop losses lie here. So price usually reverse, hunt stop losses of retail trader and then it reverses. That is the whole concept behind this trade. As you can see, last 5 seconds are remaining and we are going to book profit in this trade and it is a profitable trade. Let's summarize one more time why I took this trade. So let's start from the bottom. This is an uptrend price action and this is the recent support level. Now on yesterday's trading session, I explained you the strategy in which if the 1-minute candle closing is above or below the level, in this case the candle needs to be above. This zone has not been broken by this candle. You can see the rejection. The candle closing is also above, which means you can expect that price will reverse because there is no breakout. To place the entry, we need confirmation. On this chart, I didn't find any strong bullish confirmation. That's why I told you that I will wait for the price to retrace back. After the retracement, if price form a reversal pattern, I will place my trade and same thing happened. Price hit the support again and then it formed this strong, it's a engulfing candle, not a Marubozu. So it formed a strong engulfing candle. It was the confirmation. So I placed my trade here and booked profit. It's a simple trading strategy. Now we have taken the first trade of today's session. Let's target the next trade for today. Right now I'm analyzing odd yen chart and I have trading opportunity here. If you focus, price recently formed support and resistance zone here and I'm going to use them for a reversal trade. This is the support zone. And we have this resistance zone as well. Now, the strategy that I'm going to use here is very simple. I will wait for the price to either hit the resistance or hit the support, and once price hit any of those zones, I will wait for the 1-minute candle to close. If the 1-minute candle closes below this level or above this level, then I will look for reversal confirmation on the 5-second chart and will place my trade. So don't get confused. I will show you the exact step-by-step process. Let's wait now for the price to hit either the resistance or the support, and then I will explain you the next part. Price finally hit the support level. As you can see, there is a wick rejection. Now the next part is very simple. I have to wait for this 1 minute candle to close. The closing of the candle needs to be near to this support level. Then only I will look for a bullish reversal pattern. Because if the closing is far, the price might go down again. Okay, the candle is going to close in the next 3 seconds. And the closing is also very near. So chances of reversal are high. I have placed the trade. The reason why I placed this trade is because we have this confirmation and this candle. So we have previous confirmation and the 1 minute candle closing. You can see it closes near to this support. It got rejected back. It hit the support and there is no clear breakout. So if there is no breakout after hitting the support level, chances of reversal increases. To place a trade, we need a strong candlestick confirmation on the 5-second chart. When I open 5-second chart, I saw these two candles. These are sweep candle and we also have this breakout candle which broke the recent resistance. So I instantly placed my trade in this position and right now we are running in profit and we will book profit easily on this trade. It's a simple trade setup. You just have to wait for the 1 minute candle to close and then you look for a strong bullish or bearish confirmation on 5-second chart. In this case, I was using the support. So I waited for the 1 minute candle to close near to the support and on 5-second chart, as there was confirmation, I instantly placed the trade. So 2 trades, both are in profit. Let's find another trade setup. Let's use this setup again. The price is going down again. If this particular candle goes down, hit this level and does not break, chances of a reversal will be very, very high. Let's wait. Last 15-14 seconds are remaining. The price is very near. Let's open the 5-second chart. We need strong candlestick confirmation. Now this particular strategy is not 100%. You have to, yes, that's the confirmation. Okay, my entry is a little bit wrong. The entry needs to be at this exact level. This is a hammer confirmation, a solid reversal confirmation. Now the closing of the candle is above. The price hit the support and it closes above. So chances of reversal are high. I placed this trade because on 5-second chart we have a very good confirmation which is a hammer. Right now the trade is running in loss, but let's see what will be the result. Last 25 seconds are remaining. Let's wait for the result now. Okay, price gave a breakout and we have lost this trade. Let's understand the logic. Same logic, price hit the support, it does not break, and we also have a strong confirmation. So I instantly placed the trade, but we lost the trade because price finally got a breakout. Now this strategy gives very good result, but sometimes you will lose too because nothing is 100%. So till now we have taken 3 trades. All are based on a single trading concept, but we lost the last trade and now let's switch to a different chart because this particular chart is not showing any clear trading opportunity. Let's find other trading setup on any other chart and I will use the same exact strategy so that you can understand this strategy easily and can apply it. Right now I am analyzing British pound yen chart and I have a trading opportunity here. We have a recent resistance zone that can be used for a reversal trade. I'm going to apply the same exact strategy that we have used previously. So this is our resistance zone. The price has to hit this zone and the closing of the 1 minute candle needs to be below. Once all these factors are in our favor, I will take my trade with confirmation. Let's wait now for the price to go up and hit this zone. Price hit the resistance zone. Now let's wait for the 1 minute candle to close. The closing of the candle is very important. If it closes below this resistance, chances of reversal will be very high. Last 10 seconds are remaining. I'm opening my 5-second chart because I will instantly place a trade with confirmation and Yes, that's the confirmation. The price also gave a strong bearish reversal pattern. Let's understand the logic behind this trade. So it's a simple trade setup. As you can see, that price, we were targeting a reversal trade from this zone. This is a recent resistance. If according to the strategy, the price does not break the zone and it closes inside the zone, then chances of reversal always are high. In this case, price retraces back. As this is a downtrend price action, the favorable direction for the price to move is downtrend. After hitting the resistance, which means a selling zone, the price will likely to reverse and it needs to go down. So we were applying the strategy according to the analysis and the trend as well. Price goes up, hit the resistance zone, and after hitting the resistance zone, you can see it got rejected back. The candle closing is also inside, and on 5-second chart we have a clear reversal pattern formation. Although this trade is very close and we have booked profit at the last second, but the analysis was very simple, that price will fall. Which price is falling? It is retracing back, but still it is falling. So according to the strategy, the candle needs to close inside without a breakout. The 5-second chart needs to have solid confirmation, and the price has to hit a recent support or resistance, or a clearly visible zone, which can be the reason for reversal. In this case, this was the swing high, recent swing high. Price hit the support, closes inside, and on 5-second chart, just focus here. As soon as price hit the resistance, it formed a reversal pattern. Then we have some rejection from this recent support. But finally, this candle gave a breakout. So I placed my trade here. And after that, the price is falling smoothly. It's not a steep fall, but it is falling according to the analysis. So till now, I have taken 4 trades. All are based upon a single trading strategy, which is very easy to apply. Now I will take one more trade, and whatever will be the result, I will end the session. Although I can end this session here because I'm in profit, but as this is the last day of the week, I will take one more trade. I will not focus on the result, but on the execution part. So let's apply the same strategy one more time, and then we will end this session. Right now I'm analyzing Euro US dollar chart, and I have a clear trading opportunity. The price is standing at a clearly visible support level, and it is going to close in the next 3 seconds, and you can see it closes above. So now the chances of reversal are high. I need a strong confirmation. This is not strong. Let's wait for a breakout from this level. Yes, that's a breakout. Now I have placed the 5th trade of the session in the upside direction. Let's understand the logic. It's the same trading strategy. You can see we have this clearly visible support level. Previously, it was working as a resistance, and now it was working as a support. So if the price does not break the support level, chances of reversal are always high. The price fall, hit the support level, got rejected back, and the closing is above this support level, which means there is no clear breakout. And if there is no clear breakout, we can expect a reversal if on 5-second chart we have strong confirmation. Right now I'm facing internet issue, that's why the price is not moving. Let's wait for the reconnection. It's not moving at all, but I believe that we will end up in a profitable trade, because according to me the price has to reverse as it does not break the zone. Let's switch to 5-second chart. Maybe it will refresh. It's taking time. Let's wait. Okay, it closes in profit. Let's understand the logic. So as soon as price hit the support level, it formed this bullish candle. It was not confirmation. Again formed another candle, but I didn't place my trade here because of this recent resistance. We needed a breakout. This particular candle gave a breakout, meaning that now the price will go up. So I instantly placed my trade in the upside direction. Now the logic and the strategy, we have to wait for the price to hit a clearly visible buying or selling zone, or support or resistance. In this case, this is a support level, clearly visible support. Price hit the support, there is no breakout on 1 minute chart, meaning we can expect a 1 minute reversal. Price closes above the zone. What we needed a confirmation on 5-second chart. We got confirmation candle here. I placed my trade, and after that the price went up and we booked profit. So today I have taken 5 trades based on one single strategy, and I hope you have learned the concept, which is very easy to apply. That is it for today. Hope you have learned the strategy in detail and will try to replicate the same while trading. Do not apply this strategy in OTC market, because I do not trade on OTC market using my strategies. So that is it for today. We'll see you with new trading setup, new explanation on the next video, which will be uploaded on the next week, because I do not trade in the OTC market. Thanks for watching. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.